And with just the right amount of votes, without a single vote to spare, and with the tiebreaker vote of Vice President Victoria Villarruel, the government of Javier Milei obtained its first important legislative victory since it has been in power, with the Senate's approval of the Law of Bases bill and the fiscal package. From Buenos Aires, Argentina, our correspondent Juan Carlos Bartolota with the details.
Although the two bills considered fundamental for the government will now have to go back to the Chamber of Deputies, the Javier Milei's administration celebrated the Senate approval as a triumph.
Today is a beautiful morning, as they say around. Yesterday, the nation's Senate approved the Law of Bases and Starting Points for the Freedom of Argentines bill.
The Law of Bases modifies a large number of laws, including labor and economic laws, such as the incentive regime for large investments, reasons that generated the rejection of opposition blocs, such as the Peronismo.
First of all, I would like to tell you that the flag should be hoisted at half-mast, because as one of the representatives of the SMEs who came here said, the passing of this law meant the death sentence for the small and medium-sized companies. Two of them actually said it, and unfortunately, today we are moving forward in that direction.
However, the passing of the bill was not exempt from a scandal that led to a bribery accusation against Senator Lucia Crexell, who allegedly exchanged her vote for the ambassadorship to UNESCO.
She was offered an ambassadorship and she accepted. And yesterday, the day before this session, we knew the request or the draft or I don't know what. But we knew the next of this request for an agreement to designate on behalf of the executive branch, the Madam Chairman. I wonder. I see if you can help me answer this question. Is she going to vote? Can she vote? Should she abstain? Will her vote be impeached? Is this a crime? Is this vote ethical?
While the debate was taking place, the repression of the federal forces against the demonstrators who opposed the Law of Bases left 200 people injured and more than 30 arrested.
The truth is that this is a real step backwards made by the Argentinian politics. It's unbelievable that senators who call themselves Peronists vote for this law, because they know what it is all about.
They want to sell our natural resources. They want to sell our future, our children's future, our grandchildren's future. That is why the entire labor movement is organized, to say no to the Law of Bases.
I would do anything for my country, but it's unfortunate how the situation is now, and to see how nobody does anything for the students or for the pensioners. Nobody does anything at all. It's crazy that we go out to protest or demonstrate and they threaten to kill you or shoot you with a rubber bullet. It's crazy.
The young woman we were listening to is only 18 years old, but she knows what these laws are about. They are the legal frame for Javier Milei to continue with his policy of adjustment and dismantling of the state without any benefits for the Argentine population.
Para la población argentina. Juan Carlos Bartolota, teleSUR, Buenos Aires.